All right, so here we are, Sterling Plant 6 at MORryde, ready to get the independent suspension installed. We are a day ahead of our appointment where they take all the measurements and get everything ready for tomorrow's installation.
I'm so excited.
What was that, Sergio?
This is just part of the all of the numbers that we take to decide what riser you're gonna get.
Now we're getting an official measurement. Official measurements, center of the pin, which is right over the rear axles, all the way back. So here we are getting all the measurements for the independent suspension. Hey, good morning guys. Morning comes fast when you're at the MORryde factory to get your independent suspensions installed. One of the reasons Victoria and I chose not to stay here on site versus getting a hotel room for the next couple days was what you could probably hear behind me, which is the trains. Apparently they go all night, every night, and all day, all the time. So yeah, that's one of the reasons we chose a hotel for 2 nights while we're here getting the suspension installed. So they're about to pull the rig in.
So Howie's at MORryde. We're here in a home 2 suites by Hilton because we just wanted to be more comfortable in a hotel than in the service center at MORryde. And one of the things I love about being on the road is I can take my computer and system just about anywhere. And here I am all set up. I'm connected to the internet. Even though I technically did take the next couple days off, I can still work if I want to. This is so cool.
Here's Howie. You can see they've got them hooked up, ready to be pulled in the yard. I wasn't sure I was going to get here before they pull them in. They usually say 6 a.m., but sometimes they get them in as quick as they can. And then you can see work's already started over here on some units, and as soon as we get them pulled into the bay, we're going to get started. All right, well there you go. Just like that, dual 8,000-pound axles and leaf springs off of the rig. All out of there and out of the way. Cutting off the old hanger brackets. Here is all the stuff that they cut out of the rig. The road armor, gone. Shackles, gone. Everything to be replaced by the independent suspension. Sure is crazy seeing Howie with no shoes on his base there. I'm gonna go take a tour of the MORryde facility here in Elkhart. I'm gonna take you along with me, and I'm going to set up the time lapse as the guys continue to do their work.
that rubber shear spring. There's a big piece of rubber here and a big piece of rubber there. So plates bolted together, and then it could be in more of an upright position when it's installed. So when you hit that big chuck hole, that rubber will stretch, and that's what makes your leaf springs that you don't have them anymore. Is a road shock. That will be comforted by your system. This is going to give you 5.5.
Where they really do things right here. You weld the nut and the bolt so they're not moving. They double nut on the end and a hook bolt on there. Nothing will ever come loose.
Okay, end of day one. It looks like we've started wiring in the hydraulic controller for the brake system. It looks like they've done a great job of painting the bracket that they added in, and look at the welds. Man, Mike, our service tech, did such a nice job on the welds. Okay guys, end of day 2 here at MORryde. We are staying the night here. We've paid the bill, which means we got the t-shirts.
Once we got ourselves off the floor, we got the t-shirts after paying that bill.
Yeah, so we are now in the club, and there's only one thing left to do, and that is to put the sticker on the rig.
If we don't have the sticker on, does that mean we're really not in the club?
Yeah.
You have to have the sticker.
This sticker costs a lot of money, so we're putting this sticker on the rig. And I think the best place to put this sticker is right here next to our Tiffin 50th anniversary decal. And so I've already cleaned this space with alcohol. I'm just going to dry it off because it is a little bit rainy today.
Very rainy day. This is a little crooked.
It is a little bit crooked. Whoever...
Are you going to put that one on crooked so you got the same
They
path?
probably have to balance each other out, right?
Okay, let's see. Now put it on straight. Oh, look at that.
So
do you want to be even with that, or do you want to go up and down on the
I think we're going to go about right. How's that look?
That looks good. We're not going to be judged on how well we put our sticker on, I don't think.
Oh, you never know. So now we give it a good...
Oh, look at that.
Wipe down. Like I said, I prepped the area before with rubbing alcohol to get any...
That's not an inexpensive sticker. It's a raised sticker. So we got our money's worth on this sticker, that's for sure.
So there it is.
Woohoo, yay!
We are in the club, the Independent Suspension Owners Club.
We are smooth ride now.
So tomorrow we are off to the Upper Peninsula of Michigan. We will find ourselves in Menominee. Michigan. And so I think that's going to be a good test run for the independent suspension. We took it around the block today with our installer, Mike, who was a great guy. Everybody here at MORryde has been fantastic, but the difference just going around the block in the factory was pretty amazing, and the disc brakes are pretty awesome. But we'll have more to report for you the more we get to drive it. So thanks so much.
The more we ride?
Yeah, the more we ride. So thanks so much for following along on this adventure with us. I hope you appreciate us showing you the installation process, the tour of the facility, and everything that went along with it. It was quite a fun adventure, and we are looking forward to a smoother ride and hopefully extending the life of our RV.
Yes, of Howie. Howie wants to live as long as he can.
Yeah, for sure. So be sure and like this video, give us a thumbs up, it helps us tremendously, and subscribe to our channels.
And ring that notification bell so you know immediately when there's a new video, because you don't want to miss them, do you?
No, absolutely not.
I wouldn't want to miss them.
And until next time,
Happy exploring.